75 under square root plus 25 under square root upon 75 under square root minus 25 under square root. We have to simplify it. So there are two methods that we can use to simplify it. First method, where we just rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate of x plus y is x minus y, and vice versa. A conjugate of x minus y is x plus y. So why do we do this? Because if we multiply and divide by the same number, we are not changing the quotient, because we can easily cancel them out, and it's like multiplying it by 1. So square root of 75 plus square root of 25 upon square root of 75 minus square root of 25, then times conjugate will be square root of 75 plus square root of 25 upon square root of 75 plus square root of 25. Now if square root of 75 is a and square root of 25 is b, then it is in the form of a plus b times a plus b, and in the denominator a plus b times a minus b. So numerator has a plus b whole square we can write, and the denominator, it is in the form of differences of square, so a square minus b square. So it is square root of 75 plus square root of 25 whole square upon square root of 75 square minus square root of 25 square. A plus b whole square, it is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will be square root of 75 square plus square root of 25 square plus 2 times square root of 75 times square root of 25 upon square root of 75 square minus square root of 25 square. We can remove the square root with this square. Again remove the square root with this square, so it is 75 plus 25 plus 2 times square root of 75 is 25 times 3 plus square root of 25 is 5, then upon 75 minus 25. 75 plus 25 is 100. Sorry, here it is multiplication. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. Then square root of 25 times square root of 3 upon 75 minus 25 is 50, or 100 plus 10 times square root of 25 is 5, then times square root of 3 upon 50, or it is equal to 100 plus 50 times square root of 3 upon 50. Now we can take 50 common. So 2 plus square root of 3 upon 50. Now 50 and 50 gets cancelled. So it is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. Answer is 2 plus square root of 3. We can simplify it using a different method, where we simplify the individual radicals. Square root of 75 is 25 times 3 under square root plus square root of 25 upon square root of 75 is again 25 times 3 under square root minus square root of 25. So this square root of 25 times square root of 3 plus square root of 25 is 5 upon square root of 25 times square root of 3 minus 5. Square root of 25 is 5, so 5 times square root of 3 plus 1 upon 5 times square root of 3 minus 1. So 5 times square root of 3 plus 5 upon 5 times square root of 3 minus 5. We take 5 common, so 5 times square root of 3 plus 1 upon, here again 5 common, so square root of 3 minus 1. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Now let's rationalize the denominator. So square root of 3 minus 1, conjugate is square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3 plus 1. So square root of 3 plus 1 whole square upon square root of 3 square minus 1 square, or it is equal to square root of 3 square plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 3 times 1 upon, remove the square root with the square, 3 minus 1, remove the square root with the square, 3 plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 3 upon 2. So 4 plus 2 times square root of 3 upon 2. Take 2 common. So 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So answer is 2 plus square root of 3. So these are the two methods that you can use. Which method did you like more? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.